Hi everyone, Tristan here. In this episode, we will be discussing prime and composite numbers. Let's get right into it. Whole numbers greater than 1 are either prime or composite. So the question now is, what are their differences? A prime number is a whole number greater than 1 that has only two factors, 1 and the number itself. This means that the number can only be represented as the product of 1 and itself. For example, the number 2 is prime because its factors are only 2 and 1. The number 3 is prime because its factors are only 3 and 1. The number 7 is prime because its factors are 7 and 1. We can only represent 2 as either 2 times 1 or 1 times 2. As for 3, we can only represent it as either 3 times 1 or 1 times 3. As for 7, we can only represent it as either 7 times 1 or 1 times 7. On the other hand, a composite number is a whole number greater than 1 that has more than 2 factors. This means that the number can be represented as a product of not just 1 in itself, but a product of other natural numbers as well. For example, the number 6 is composite because its factors are 1, 2, 3, and 6. We can represent it as 1 times 6 or as 2 times 3. The number 15 is a composite number as well because its factors are 1, 3, 5, and 15. We can represent it as 1 times 15 or as 3 times 5. As an exercise, try to check the numbers on the screen if they're either prime or composite. Leave your answers on the comment section. That is it for this episode, guys. If you found this video helpful, like and share our video. Visit our website at tss.ph. Like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram, and we'll see you in the next episode. And don't forget, we are here to assist you.